So how do we not mess this up then when it's forever?
I don't want easy, I want messed up. With you. Forever. Please, let me help.
I don't need to push you.
Running away is not going to solve anything.
Pull over. Oh, please, come on, I get it. You don't have to tell me anything.
What did your dad do to you?
He raped me.
I was always a disappointment with my dad. You're not some pathetic victim. You're the strongest person I know. You're not a disappointment, you're amazing. And thanks for being here. I just want to be myself now, with you. You're not on your own. Not anymore. Just didn't want a son like me. So I buried it. I spent all this time, years, trying to be the person he wanted me to be.
I'm bisexual, okay?
Please don't get married. Because I love you.
Falling in love with you. I mean everything.
Because I still love you.
I never stopped. I can't.
Because you don't see me like that anymore.
I still see you like that. I always will. I'll wait for you. Until you're ready.
So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make 3 hours meant for you and you for me.
I love you.
You've
I still love you. It's taken me a long time to come to terms with it.
You know that.
But you know. I know. He's everything. And you matter to me. I couldn't bear that.
You could go to prison, I could lose him. If you believe him, then I'm gonna lose you.
I hope he knows how lucky he is.
Why not I am? You're enough.
Okay, I love you. I'm not leaving you.
I wasted so much time. I get everything figured out in this. Honestly, whatever. I've been lost you twice now. I can't do it again.
So I'm asking you to marry me.
I can't see my future without him in it. Will you ever do that to me again?
Yeah, good. I mean, yeah.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the
Are you married?
stranger
Let me think about it.
inside.
Yes, I will, of course I will.
Me ugly pretty.